Umantri rangba ka jalau la Pynshai ba ka Jingkem yu uwe na ki hep Pulit uba Gabriel Ïangrai ka de Halor ka jingsha kenno ba pendon kam baklai ka pisa ka jingpentri kam ya ka scheme shna ying ka National Emergency Response System NERS hapo ka Public Safety Answering Point PSAP. Kumbala ka daw kilat patay ko bor bula shakem na mga ka jingtiet ya ki arpo khandai kli ki kali. Ulaong ba ka jingtoket kadang yat chakman but on penhap kat kum kaan.
Yeah, first thing is that I would like to clarify to everyone because in some clippings it has come that he has been arrested because of vehicle scam. That is completely incorrect. So I would request the press friends to please do your homework. It is not under the vehicle scam as there was called. We told earlier also that there is that there was no such thing as a scam in the vehicle. There were certain allotment issues which one cannot define as a scam. So therefore, this is a completely different concern and different issue. This is regarding the construction of one of the buildings that was allotted to the police department. I don't remember the exact name of the building, but it was a building construction, and in that building construction there was some allegations of some utilization of funds in that. And based on that, the FIR was lodged by the police department and the permission was sought from the government to pursue that. So it was in that regards that the entire arrest and the entire process of investigation was done and the FIR was lodged. It is nothing to do with vehicles as is being put up in some of the newspapers. Hence now the process is on, the inquiry will take place, investigations will take place, the law will take its own course, and based on that, whatever has to be done, it will be as per the laws that have been laid down.